Red bird chirps. High frequency words. Earth, every, near, school. Red Bird Chirps by Beth Singer. Illustrated by Juan Bautista Juan Oliver. Chirp, sang little red bird from her perch. Every day I sit in this nest and look at the sky. I like the big blue sky. Today I will fly. I want to see the earth below. Red Bird began to fly. First, she flew over a park. I see green ferns, she chirped. Then Red Bird sailed over a schoolyard. I see a boy in a yellow shirt. I see a girl with red curls. Next, Red Bird perched on a gate near a tree. A cat with white fur crept up. He licked his lips. Red Bird spotted the cat. Up she flew. You can't hurt me, she turned and chirped. Red Bird perched on her nest. Next time I will fly over the sea, she said. Cats don't live there.